In today's video, I'm sewing up the Agustine top, and I found this free sewing pattern off of the fabricsstore.com website, and I absolutely love this top. It's so comfortable, and I made it in 3 different fabrics, and I'm going to share it with you in this video today. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Sewpapilla channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Michelle, and I love to create and experiment sewing up my handmade wardrobe. And in today's video, I'm sewing up the Agustine top, and I found this free sewing pattern off of the fabricsstore.com website. The Agustine top that I made is really a comfortable top, and it's very loose, and I ended up sewing my shirt into a size 4-6, and normally I'm a medium size, probably about 8-10 in size. And I did read a lot of comments on the fabricsstore.com website for this sewing pattern, and I did read that the size for this top is just a little bit big, and as you can see, it's a very comfortable boxy fit, which was the look I was going for. I plan on wearing this top for work, and I made it in 3 different fabrics. I'll share those with you here shortly. I think if you want a more fitted top, I could probably go down another size, and so anyways, yeah, it's super cute, and it was very, very easy to sew up. You have a bias trim neckline, and you have some cuffs for the sleeves, and the rest of it was a front and back bodice piece. So it was very simple, and it didn't have a lot of sewing pieces. And I just followed the sewing instructions on the website, and it was to the point, and I do have some experience now sewing garments, so I found that it wasn't difficult at all. And I also feel that for beginner sewists, they shouldn't have any problems sewing this up either. And if they did, there's plenty of sewing tutorials here on YouTube. So anyways, I'm going to stop the chattering and get started, and so let's get going. If you haven't seen the fall sewing plans video, I'll link it in the description below. This video is where I went over the Agustine Boxy top sewing pattern that I'm showing you today. And I also shared other sewing ideas if you want to go back and check it out. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I mentioned that I made 3 tops with 3 different fabrics, and the fabrics I used were linen, cotton, and denim. And I'll have all 3 fabrics listed in the description below if you're interested. The only adjustments I made to the sewing pattern was lengthening it. I didn't want a crop top, I wanted a longer top. I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Next week, I'm going to go ahead and continue my sewing project for this fall, and I hope you'll join me. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a big fat like. So I'll see you next week. Bye.